Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing hardware. Plug a compatible USB Bluetooth audio adapter into the Ps4. Make sure your AirPods Pro 2 are charged. Open the case and hold the setup button until the LED flashes white. Once done, leave the AirPods in pairing mode and power on the Ps4. This avoids menu juggling later because the adapter will be ready to pair as soon as the console recognizes the USB device. It's faster than trying to pair through multiple system menus. Next, you put the USB adapter into its pairing mode, usually by holding its button until the LED blinks a pairing color. Make sure the AirPods are still showing the white flashing LED. The adapter will then discover them. When you see the adapter's light change or hear a pairing tone, the devices are connected. This step handles the Bluetooth handshake external to the Ps4 because the console itself doesn't natively manage AirPods audio. The adapter acts as the bridge between them. Finally, you configure the Ps4. Go to Settings, Devices, Audio Devices, and choose the USB adapter as the output device. Set output to headphones to all audio and set the volume. Note that the AirPods microphone often won't function with the Ps4 Bluetooth adapter, so use a separate mic for chat. If you run into problems, reset the AirPods, hold the case button until amber then white, or the adapter and repair. Alternatively, use remote play on PC/phone and connect AirPods there as a fallback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.